Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my slime collection. So let's get started. And I don't have a lot of slime, but yeah, let's get started. So, I'm gonna open this. Okay, so you'll see a Play-Doh, but I don't know why I put it there. And I have my two Smith slime, my milkshake slime, other slime. So I get started. So I will be showing you only one of them, and I'm going to show you only this one because they're both the same texture. It's just glitter. So nice. I just glitter. And the background noise is just brother. Okay, so it's like silly thinking putty or whatever it's called. It's actually called goo. I found too high. What was that? Okay, so it's like a thick texture. And this is the light up ball. It is actually called light up bouncy glowing glue, and this one is called light up glitter bounce. Light up bouncy glitter glue. Yeah, so they have the same texture and it bounces. Okay, it bounces, stretches, and you can do that, and you can break it. And if you put this ball close to it, and it will glow, or other lights. And it cannot dry out. So I'm just gonna close it and move on to the next light. My milkshake slime. Here's my milkshake slime. This is my favorite one. So it's like Pokeball, stretch above, and I like it to stick a bit. So yeah. So it is foldable, squishable, and this is my favorite thing to do with slime. Like I like them to stick like this, and when do it really fast, it doesn't stick. So I like the slime that sticks a bit. So yeah. Oh, maybe I will rate this. So this will be a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. So yeah. Next, we're moving on to this one. And this one is called Milky Slime. Sticky slime. So as you know, I like sticky slime. And none of these two are homemade. So yeah. As you know, I like sticky slime, so this is sticky. So it's Pokeball. Stretchable, foldable, squishable. So yeah. You guys, I will give this a 9 out of 10. Because no, actually, I'll give this a 5, I think. Yeah, 5 out of 10. That is good because look, it's like that. I give it a 5 out of 10 and 10 pounds. None of my, only these two 10 pounds and none of them can bounce. So I don't have a lot of slime. I used to have clay slime and a white milky slime. Open this and there is this and it's very little and I like little slime. And it is called Choco Slime. It smells like chocolate. Smell it. So it's vegetable. You can do that.
Look at my style.
And it's foldable and squishable, so I give this a 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. Because, like, I don't know. Because sometimes it sticks like this. And mostly it sticks like on my nails, so yeah. An 8 out of 10.
I really want to dance.
And a little brother. And here is my glossy slime. The color is just like so pretty. Look, the color is super pretty. It's like white. White, but like weird white, like a pink one. It is foldable, stretchable, and
A snake around your.
foldable and squishable.
Yay!
And I give this a 7 out of 10 because, like, look at this. When I do that, it's like the same as the other one. So I give this a 7 out of 10. So this is a 7 out of 10. And I have one more surprise slime for you guys.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so here it is, and it used to be a lot, but I drew some. So yeah, and this used to be my favorite. And now look at it later. When I open it, I mean.
How?
Okay, that's this. So let's open it. Here it is, the slime. It is super bad. It is sticky. It's not pokeable. It is not holdable. I don't want to hold it or squish it. Okay, so it cannot stretch. Well, it can, but like not a lot. Sorry if I can't. You cannot hear this. Where's the tissue? So I won't be keeping this alone. Maybe I'll throw it. Yeah, I think I should. And it used to be like this one, but then when I went to a trip, I don't feel like bringing slime. So that's okay. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you like my slime.
They're having fun.
Let me just show you one. Sorry for that background noises. It's my little dada. It's hard to open this.
Well,
Oh, there. I finally. So I had play ones.
double cheer.
shaped it back to this shape. And I bought this so that later on I could sign it. So, yeah. I like the pink one. So, I really like the pink one. So the winner is the pink one. This one actually. This pink.
My name
the
is
one
Wendy
that's in the
John.
bottom. Okay, so that was my little rat asking me a question. So, winner to my milkshake. Strawberry flavored. So it smells like strawberries. Okay, so bye guys. I hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So yeah. Bye. Yeah, bye.